Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the October Magical Mystery Bead Box. Came a few days ago, and I have not had time to bust into it yet. Just too much going on over here at Turquoise.Street. Thankfully, I was not chosen for jury duty. It was a heinous crime, and I'm very happy that I don't have to deal with all the information that they're giving the jurors. Okay, so this one is Beetlejuice. A little late, but Beetlejuice. Showtime. This will be interesting. So, oh, this is cool. I wish I would have had this in time to do it in the 30 days of Halloween. Sandworm. This is really cool. I love these beads right here. I think I have some like that, but mine are multicolor. And I know I have some round beads that kind of look like that. I love them with the pink. Although I feel like I could turn this into a really funky Christmas thing. I really would have loved to use this in the 13 days of Halloween. Wow. I love this strand. It's so creative. It's so creative. I love that. This one is Beetlejuice B. This one is cool too. I think I have a couple of beads kind of like that from Jesse James Beads. I love this block lampwork glass, this really big boho bead. That's a cool strand. I love these two together. Oh my goodness. I really like those. Let's see. We've got 12 inches of black cable chain. We've got some chain reaction in black and silver. I don't know if I have any with the cubes on it. I'll have to look. It matches perfectly though. Then we've got its Showtime specialty bead mix. All right, so we've got these little bubbles with star glitter in there, and purple and green. Cute little earrings. I'm guessing these are glow in the dark. Yep. See? Very cool. I don't think I have a lot of glow in the dark beads. We've got two little ghosties. And these are really neat. I love those. I love black and white. I love stripes. They look great. I don't like wearing stripes, but I like seeing stripes like on beads and stuff. Then we have Lydias Wedding bead mix. This is kind of a cool package. Cool packaging. This is definitely reusable packaging. I like that. So let's see what's in this bead mix here. We've got some oval crystals. Got a lot of crystals in this one. Some teardrops, some rondelles, and three different reds that coordinate pretty well. We've got some squares. These are like almost reverse table cut. I don't really know how that works, but I like it. Ooh, I love these black hearts. Those are so cool. They're glass. I think those would look really cool with those. Oh my gosh, for like an everyday non-Halloween look. Not that Beetlejuice is Halloween, but I definitely associate Beetlejuice with Halloween and these colors with Halloween. But I don't see why I couldn't use them outside of Halloween. I like these though. These are pretty cool, little mini bohos. We've got some tiny glitter beads. Some little swirlies that echo the swirls that we saw in that first sandwich strand. We've got some large hole like Shambhala beads. Those are cool. Some different metal beads. Little matte glass black beads. And some cubes. And then we've got these crystal rondelle spacers. We've got some cubes. And some little rounds. I think I got all of them. That's a good mix. Red's not my favorite, but I think they did a good job with the reds they chose. I love my favorites in this mix are these two. Those big hearts are so cool. All right, and then we have Netherworld Waiting Room. These are cool names. I honestly haven't seen Beetlejuice since I was a kid, so I need to probably watch that again. It was scary to me as a kid, though. All right, so we've got these big metal beads. They're like bubble shaped, and they have crystals on the inside. Two really pretty drops. I love those. They're like two-tone. I'm thinking these are acrylic. I could be wrong. I did a test and I thought it was acrylic, but it could be glass. I'm not sure. It feels... I really can't tell. It feels like acrylic to me. But I can't tell. We've got some frosted glass. Really nice hot pink. My second favorite color. Then we've got black. Those are really cool. Some large crystal glass. Like, I don't even know what this shape is, but they're really cool. Some silver rings that have holes so you can string them several ways. Crystal rondelle spacers in AB. More turquoise, I like that. Some crackle glass. Two larger, like 12 millimeter Shambhala beads. Tiny tassels. These are cool. I haven't seen this like half black, half metallic finish before in that shape. Some bicones. Some glass pearls. These are a neat shape. I haven't seen that before. Nice blue metallic. Some mermaid glass. I love mermaid glass. Love getting it. I just love that. Some crystals, beautiful, and then some hexagons. Those are really cool. And then two little cat's eye beads. I love this box. I think it's such a cool box. I just wish I would have gotten it earlier so I could use it for the 13 days of Halloween. Now it's gonna kind of sit there for a little while. And then last but not least, Never Trust the Living. All right, so we have what is this, a book charm? So it says the Book of Recently Deceased. It's backwards. Like, I don't know if that's a mistake, or is the book upside down in real life? It's a cute little locket. That is really cool. But I'm going to have to research that. If it's supposed to be upside down in real life, that's kind of cool. If not, somebody put the sticker on wrong. Which... even if it's supposed to be upside down, I don't want that. So I'll just put it right side up. Oh my goodness. I'll have to look into that, and I'll put it on the screen if it's supposed to be upside down. But if it's supposed to be upside down, I don't care. I want it right side up. So Handbook of the Recently Deceased. That's kind of funny. Love these. I've always loved these. Like opalite looking rhinestone balls. A little magnetic clasp, some little glitter disco balls. Loving this like heather purple color. Those are gorgeous. Some little pink. These are really cool too. JJB does some really great metal. Some more metal. Little blue crystals, matte crystals, little tiny baby like rose quartz color glass. These are cute. Some really tiny baby blue crystals, and then some gold crystals. This is a really pretty mix too. Okay, so I love the box. I think it was bead heavy this time, which is great for a bead box. I like how many beads are in it. But I think the timing of the box was a little too late if they were going to go with such a specific theme like Beetlejuice. It makes me think of Halloween. It makes me think of Halloween. If I want a Halloween box, I want it more towards the end of September, beginning of October than the end of October. I got this box, I want to say on, I don't know, it was really close to the end of the month, and today is November 2nd. So yeah, I love the box. I think there were so many cool things. These are one of my favorites. This strand was my favorite thing. So some good and bad. Love the contents. I think maybe a pendant other than just 2 charms would have been cool. Maybe a little bit more chain, but I think we can make probably like 10 different projects with what's here. So I am happy with it. I just think the timing was off. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
Is the baby's toy? Do you want mommy to show your toy? Do you want mommy to show your toy? Good girl. Good girl. Good